How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed, beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. Every day and everywhere, making things better and better, better and better. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I love you guys. Hope you're all having lots and lots of fun. I was struggling yesterday a little bit with my browser and the internet for some reason. So I only managed to get this little video out to you about 2 hours ago this morning, and just go and have a quick check at it. It has already just moved up a little bit. The RSI is moving up. This is the 1 hour. So yes, it is moving up a little bit, but I'm going to show you something else that I showed you. Unfortunately, I did a video for you guys that is only being released this evening, and yeah, it has already pumped like crazy because there is a huge buy signal in ordinals right now. This is the 8-hour candle. We have a very strong buy signal here to buy some ordinals. So like I said to you, and you will only see that video at 6:30 this evening, so it might be a little bit late at that point, but we are breaking out of this right now if you are seeing this video, because this video is being published right now. So you'll see the ordinals video and what I say, but yeah, guys, don't hesitate to get into this, and no financial advice, but I am telling you that it is breaking out. This is a bullish pattern. Ordinals are going to get stronger, so make sure to put your money where your mouth is. Anyways, thanks for being with me on the show. You know you can trade some of these things on, ordinal, you can go get it on BitGet. Use my BitGet link down below. And if you guys want to trade other Bitcoin prices and Ethereum prices that I'm going to show you now, then make sure to come over and hit me on my Bybit link, and that will give you an up to $30,000 deposit bonus. Okay, so today in this video, I'm not going to do any sort of bubbles. I'm not going to do any fear and greed index. All I'm going to do is show you a few charts, show you what's going on, where we're at, and what's happened. So let's start off as usual with the Dixie. Now, I drew these two lines for you this morning, and basically there is a very strong bullish up channel right now. You can see we found support. You can see there's a bit of a pump recently. The RSI is reset. So for me, the dollar is going to continue its rally, and boom, it's probably going to just do something like this, until it hits this 105 zone, and then, yeah, we'll have to reevaluate from that zone. So in the meantime, let me just pull my line a little, oops. Let me just pull my line a little bit stronger for us so that we can just see, if it does really follow the channel. So let's see if it does do that. But yeah, for now, guys, dollar's very bullish. We know that that's happening. Bitcoin dominance, boom. What's happened? We have the RSI that has kicked back down. There was very, very strong sell-off at the 50% level here on the RSI. So it tells us that we're coming down. And then essentially, if we zoom into the price, when in doubt, zoom in. Zoom out is essentially what it is, and look on the higher time frames. That's what that means. But we've had reversal here. This is a doji candle. We've now kind of made a decision to pull back a little bit. The RSI is pulled down. So if we don't find support and we do break this trend line and this trend line, boom, we will fall down here, and we will definitely come to this zone here back at the 45%, which means that could be the strength of what's happening with the dollar. So the Bitcoin price, and yeah, I'm not sure why my charts have been doing funny things, but let's go here quickly, and I'm going to show you here because that's where my chart is, the usual one that I use. So we are kind of dojing, and we are looking as though we really do want to come down. So there might be a bit of a push down today, tomorrow, Monday kind of scenario. But yeah, essentially we're looking kind of down here in this region, first level of support, which is not far off from that level, but it would have broken a new lower low, and we would not have created that higher low either. So if we do end up just having some sort of candle that really just breaks us up here and then rejects from there, we probably would end up back there, guys. I do believe that we will be coming to test this zone, the 23 zone at the very, very least, and at the very, very most, I do believe this 20,000 to 19,000 level down here. Okay, I do see those as being the targets, and I will show you that on my next set of charts, and we'll see why for now. So let's just go quickly and have a look at Ethereum before I carry on there. Ethereum, this is the 1 hour. So Ethereum right now is just trading in a zone. The 1 hour is resetting. So there could be a bit of a rally at a push up kind of to this level. If we start tapping here and we break through, then the likelihood is we'll come back up to the 1900 level, meet that same level of resistance here. And if we don't, then we'll probably, and if we reject it, we'll probably drop the box and start to come back down to the 1700 level. So, okay, so I did show you on my videos, Bob, strange meme token, but yeah, nonetheless, my family said it actually looks a little bit like an alien, a very freaky alien. But anyways, yeah, and ordinals, guys, I'm sharing this video with you right now. Do not miss out on ordinals. Look at the volume to confirm this buy as well. I'm just telling you right now, do not miss out. I've took 4 of them, so I own 4 out of the 21 million, guys. You know, I'm very, very grateful for that for sure. And yeah, if I go into the rest of my charts, then I will show you here that these are the support zones. If we go up, that will be the resistance zones. However, what I do want to show you is that we have broken down, and coincidentally on the weekly time frame on the Gaussian channel, we maybe just come find support at the median band. The median band kind of starts to slow its roll down, kind of does this, and then maybe starts to work its way and kind of do that. Okay, so that is the potential of the median band. Now that's the upper band and that's the lower band. So the lower band is telling us that we could essentially come down to the targets that I was talking to you about, 20,000 to 19,000. Okay, and I'm going to show you why that is a potential for us on the weekly time frame. And if we go back and we look at history, every time we broke out of the band, we always came back down to the middle band at the very least, and sometimes we did come back down to the lower band. So that's in this zone. We're coming up to the middle band. The middle band is sitting at 25,700. Now I want to go and show you, because on the 3-day, okay, the Gaussian channel shows us a very, very strong language on the 3-day. We've already started turning green on 3-day, which is phenomenal. I mean, we've now been green since the 12th of April, which is great. And every time it goes green, it stays green, and it has massive pumps after it goes green. Okay, so, and look how wide this volumetric area was. It was insane. Now, I actually just want to remove those for you, because I do want to say something, that there is stronger sell volume that has come in at this level, okay, in comparison kind of from this candle down, than there has been buy. As you can see, it's very obvious. Now, if we have a look at the Gaussian channel, most often of the time it could end up coming back down on the 3-day time frame. It could come back down to the bottom zone. Okay, so just look here every single time. Okay, this one was a very, very long, crazy pump. Okay, so I'm not, like, I don't even need to go there, because that was the whole Gaussian channel pump. You eventually broke out the top, we pulled back, and we pulled down all the way to the middle, and then back to the bottom, and then we broke the bottom. And then once we were under, that kind of signaled to go long. So under, signal to go long, and then back down to the bottom. So, you know, once we were very oversold and we reached the level of resistance, we hit the sell signal on the UT bots. You know, it told us to get out. So we hit a sell signal on the UT bots. Now, the thing about this is, look what happens. Once we break out of the reds to the green zone, we break up. Okay, we break up and we retest on the top of this zone. And let's go and have a look at this on this side here. Now, because this one broke out already in the red zone, okay, because it was way oversold. So it was like an elastic slingshot. And then it pulled back over, and then eventually it had to pull back to the top band, but it fell through the top band to the middle band, and then it bounced back up to the top band, and then it fell back down to the lower band. So, you know, this is the one indication to us actually that we are looking to see a very, very strong indication of perhaps a retest of the top of the band, which is in alignment with the upward channel here, okay, and the horizontal support zone. So that is a very, very strong indication that we will potentially draw down to this zone, find support on 24,000, and perhaps try and make a breakout right up to the 38 to 40,000 level up here. And at this level, then I'm going to say we'll probably have to pull back. You see how the pullbacks come back to the breakout zone. Now this will be the breakout zone. So 31.5K is the breakout zone, and we would pull back to about the 30K zone after we've had a very massive rally, all the way from 40,000 down to there, which is a 25% move, guys. Just as a very big heads up there. You know, if you don't understand that, okay, that's a 25% move. Look at that. So understand that Bitcoin is volatile, and that's the thing. Like, this is a huge move, massive move. So why wouldn't it come back down to this zone here? Guys, I'm going to be making sure that I will continuously dollar cost average into Bitcoin down here, especially that Bitcoin is getting a lot more of the beautiful levels. So you can see resistance 1 has been hit. Tap, tick, done. So in fact, let's even see if we can find a tick. I don't have a tick here. Is there a tick? No, not a tick. Okay. All right. So anyways, we know it's done. Okay. Resistance 2 is next to tick. Then resistance 3. Then resistance 4. Once we break through resistance 4, there's no resistance above us. So we've got 4 little resistance levels above us to really get. Are you going to be patient enough to wait for this to do that? Okay. Because it will probably look something like this. Pull down, bounce up, pull there, bounce up, pull there, bounce up, pull there, and then break up. Okay, that's going to take a shit long time. Okay, it's not going to be 5 minutes. I mean, we're looking at each candle's 3 days here. That would probably bring us to, that will probably bring us to all the way kind of, October 25. November, December 25. That's still like 2 years away, guys. So hope you have the patience. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And remember to smash the like button because it helps. And remember, order nils right now, guys. It's got a buy signal on the UT bots. Do not waste time. Thanks for watching. See you later.